You thought you lost everything when you walked away, but what if that was the moment Allah started preparing something better for you? You remember how hard it was, letting go, fighting your feelings, choosing Allah when it hurt. You felt empty, you felt alone, and you wondered, will I ever feel okay again? But slowly things started changing. Your heart felt lighter, your mind felt clearer. You were not constantly overthinking, you were not emotionally exhausted. And for the first time, you felt peace. The Prophet Muhammad said, and know that victory comes with patience, relief comes with hardship, and ease comes after difficulty. So, this pain is not the end, and replacement is not always a person. It's peace, it's clarity, and it's a heart that's closer to Allah. You thought you needed them, but what you actually needed was what Allah gave you after a heart that's not attached to the wrong thing, a life that feels lighter, and maybe one day Allah gives you someone who does not pull you away from Him but brings you closer. And in that moment, you will understand why the first one had to go. So don't regret what you left for Allah. Don't look back and think you lost something valuable, because if it cost you your peace, your iman, it was never meant to stay. Allah does not take something away without replacing it, but the replacement comes after patience, after trust, and after you prove that you choose Him first. And when it comes, you will realize you didn't lose anything, you were being elevated. If you are still in the process, don't give up. Your replacement is on its way.